did not beat the snow. I am just now pulling into Las Cruces. I don't know, I'm probably 30 or 40 miles from El Paso. As you can see, it's snowing like a son of a bitch. Thankfully, it is not sticking to the highway at the moment. So I am going to keep on going, but it is accumulating along the side of the road. And my hope is that I'll get through it before it gets to be cold enough to cause me any problem on the road. So anyway, I should probably get both hands on the wheel now, but wanted to try and capture this. Ta-ta for now. Gotta pass the truck. Bye.